What is the term of office for the Vice President? A. 6 years. B. 5 years. C. 10 years. D. 4 years. The correct answer is B. 5 years. How many times a year are meetings of the Grama Sabha conducted? A. Twice. B. 4 times. C. 3 times. D. Once. The correct answer is B. 4 times. To explore constitutional procedures for becoming an Indian citizen on the Ministry of Home Affairs website, which tab should be selected? A. Act Rules Regulations. B. Required Documents. C. Sample Forms. D. Apply Online. The correct answer is A. Act Rules Regulations. How should the RTI application form be sent to the office? A. Through an email attachment. B. Through an ordinary mail service. C. Through a registered post. D. Through a courier service with no tracking. The correct answer is C. Through a registered post. Roadways are listed as a mode of which activity? A. Communication. B. Banking. C. Trade. D. Transport. The correct answer is D. Transport. What is the minimum number of legislative constituencies in Tamil Nadu mentioned in the text? A. 200. B. 18. C. 234. D. 118. The correct answer is C. 234. What is the maximum duration Rajya Sabha has to pass a money bill for it to be considered passed without its approval? A. 30 days. B. 14 days. C. 7 days. D. 60 days. The correct answer is B. 14 days. What is a system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen? A. Republic. B. Democracy. C. Dictatorship. D. Monarchy. The correct answer is D. Monarchy. What motion can the Legislative Assembly pass to remove the Council of Ministers if dissatisfied with its performance? A. A vote of support. B. A vote of censure. C. A no confidence motion. D. A vote of confidence. The correct answer is C. A no confidence motion. How many regional languages did the Constitution initially recognize in the 8th schedule? A. 10. B. 16. C. 12. D. 14. The correct answer is D. 14. What freedoms are typically associated with a democratic system? A. Freedom of expression only for leaders. B. Freedom to organize only. C. Freedom of speech, to organize and to protest. D. Freedom to protest only. The correct answer is C. Freedom of speech, to organize and to protest. Continents in the west of the Atlantic Ocean form which geographical feature? A. Isthmus. B. Continent. C. Sea. D. Plateau. The correct answer is B. Continent. What types of activities are mentioned as having mediators that affect farmers' income? A. Tertiary and primary activities. B. Secondary and tertiary activities. C. Primary and secondary activities. D. Only primary activities. The correct answer is B. Secondary and tertiary activities. Which article of the Constitution provides for the office of the Attorney General for India? A. Article 18. B. Article 39. C. Article 2.5. D. Article 76. The correct answer is D. Article 76. Besides sale or trafficking, what other form of exploitation is specifically mentioned that children have a right against? A. Forced migration. B. Child labor. C. Political manipulation. D. Sexual harassment. The correct answer is B. Child labor. Ras Leela is a popular folk dance from which state? A. West Bengal. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Jharkhand. D. Bihar. The correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. What should individuals strive towards in all spheres of activity? A. Political power. B. Excellence. C. Financial stability. D. Social recognition. The correct answer is B. Excellence. What did rivers provide that encouraged early man to settle down? A. Fish. B. Water. C. Transportation. D. Crops. The correct answer is B. Water. What percentage of seats in Lok Sabha do independent candidates need to win as another criterion? A. 2%. B. 25%. C. 6%. D. 4%. The correct answer is A. 2%. Which of the following is not explicitly mentioned as a role of industries in relation to goods? A. Design goods. B. Produce goods. C. Both produce and distribute goods. D. Distribute goods. The correct answer is A. Design goods. India's external relation is based on certain what? A. Principles and policies. B. Religious texts and scriptures. C. Historical alliances and rivalries. D. Trade agreements and tariffs. The correct answer is A. Principles and policies. Where does the text state the peacock is distributed? A. Only in northern India. B. Only near ponds. C. Evenly all over India. D. Only in certain regions. The correct answer is C. Evenly all over India. What is the ground for the President's removal from office? A. Loss of public trust. B. Violation of the Constitution. C. Incompetence. D. Poor health. The correct answer is B. Violation of the Constitution. When did the act abolishing the Tamil Nadu Legislative Council come into force? A. 1990. Born in 1986. Circa 1980. D. 1976. The correct answer is born in 1986. Who opened the first school for girls in 1848 along with Jyotirao Phule? A. Fatima Sheikh. B. Ramabai Ranade. C. Savitribai Phule. D. Tarabai Shinde. The correct answer is C. Savitribai Phule. What is considered the best form of government? A. Authoritarian government. B. Communist government. C. Monarchic government. D. Democratic government. The correct answer is D. Democratic government. Which country is not listed as a member of SAARC in the provided text? A. Pakistan. B. Maldives. C. Myanmar. D. Afghanistan. The correct answer is C. Myanmar. Which type of states are examples of Indian Ocean island states that India gives priority to? A. Sri Lanka. B. Indonesia. C. Singapore. D. Maldives. The correct answer is D. Maldives. What characteristic defined the expanded Varna system in the later Vedic society? A. Lack of discrimination. B. Focus on individual merit. C. Rigid, discriminatory, birth-based divisions. D. Flexibility. The correct answer is C. Rigid, discriminatory, birth-based divisions. The Tamil term sovereign relates to which concept? A. Sovereignty. B. Society. C. Economy. D. Governance. The correct answer is A. Sovereignty. How did you score?